there's not much to do when all I can.
I'm not making my room this dirty again. Hi guys, this is a monthly reset vlog. So this is me outlining what I'll do in a day. Ignore the left side of my board. So I started off with folding of things. These things have been sitting there for a very long time. I finally folded them and put them away. After that, I moved my wardrobe, cleaned behind it, cleaned the louver blades. I said I stay by roadside, so all the time the louver blades is dirty, so I had to clean it. So I moved the sofa and the bed to clean behind them, fixed my curtains. After that, I tackled the things on my bed. I don't know why I kept making this bed dirty like that. This is the result of being lazy. So I proceeded to cleaning the floor, arranging the things, and I went to the kitchen. I cleaned my kitchen thoroughly because I had a lot of things on my counter and it wasn't nice. Refilled the bottle for liquid soap, cleaned my fridge. The fridge too was so dirty, I had to clean it. Then I moved on to the floor. After the floor, I went onto my corridor, changed my curtains outside. Then I laid my bed nicely. Then I tackled my bathroom. Yes, I liked washing my pots a lot because I hated the pot. Then I went to the floor. After that, I fixed my menu and I fixed my filming days and other things. This is the next day after work. I went to fix my nails. These nails didn't last even for a week. The toenail broke and it just came off. This is the next day. I went to the market. So it's late at night. And as I showed you, I went to buy myself some things. I wanted to refill something in the kitchen cooking, but I want to show you these things. So I got myself a pad. I got two. I got a panty liner, milk, coloring balls, shaving stick, a toothpaste. I use Colgate Herbal, needle sachet, Nescafe. I got 4 of these soaps, my laundry soap. I interchange between Sunlight and Mother cabbage, which are carrots. I got 1 huge cucumber. Then I got 3 of these green peppers. These are all the things that I got. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.